Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place that contains the decal you want to change. Once the place loads, locate the decal object in Explorer. It may be under Workspace or a GUI. You should open the Properties pane to see the current texture ID. If you need a new image, upload it via Create Decals on the website, then copy the asset ID. This first step gets you ready to swap textures quickly and accurately. Now you change the decal. Select the decal in Explorer and paste the new asset ID into the texture field in Properties. Make sure the ID is numeric and free of extra characters. Roblox requires the asset number. If the object uses a surface GUI or mesh part, insert a new decal or texture onto the correct face. Once done, preview in the viewport or run play to confirm alignment. Adjust transparency and face. Finish by saving your place and publishing changes if you want them live. Keep a backup copy before large edits. If the decal fails to appear, check the asset's permission. Unpublished or moderated images won't render. Make sure the asset isn't group locked or that you have access. If permissions look fine but nothing changes, clear Studio's cache or sign out and sign back in to refresh. One quick troubleshooting tip. Verify the numeric asset ID. Typos are the most common cause of invisible decals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.